Okay, this is video 2 to help you get caught up on your quiz or for trig. It's still using SOHCAHTOA, sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over a hypotenuse, tangent opposite over adjacent. And just from the last video, it's label the sides first, use your appropriate trig function to create an equation, put your value in, solve for the missing piece. Now, this time we have the angle, we have a side, we're missing a side. So again, since I have the angle, I'm playing keep away here. My H is always across from that 90, which means I'm making a keep away game, which makes the 14 in this case A, because I'm laughing, haha, you can't get the ball. And then that leaves this piece down for OPP. Now, last time we looked where the values are. This time we're looking for, yes, where the values are. So there's a value at the A with the 14, but also where we need a value, and we need a value with O. So what that tells us is we're using O and A, which if I look, there's not an O and A here, not an O and A here, there is one here. So I'm gonna say tangent of 67, I have to know the angle. Tangent of 67 is opposite, which I don't know, so X, over adjacent, which is 14. Now, for this, I have a couple phrases that hopefully, if you were in class with me, you remember. It's if X is up high, we multiply. So if X is up high, what I mean, top of the fraction here, we're gonna multiply. We're gonna multiply the top, both sides by the 14. The 14, you wanna put it in front of the word. So then you're gonna put it into your calculator as 14 tangent, we're not hitting second this time, 14 tangent 67, hit enter, and I get approximately 32.98, and this is the side. Okay, so we'll do another one real quick. This time the angle's down here, my H is 15, my A is down here, leaving me my OPP here. What am I missing? I'm missing the OPP, but I'm given the H. So O and H, that'll be sine. So I'll say sine of 53 degrees is equal to X over 15. Again, X is up high, so we multiply. So you're gonna multiply both sides by 15. You will get 15 times the sine of 53, and I'll type that in. 15 times sine 53, and I get about 11.98. Okay, now we'll do one where the X is not up high. Again, I have my hypotenuse across from the 90, which in this case is the K. My A is down here, my OPP is over here, and it looks like there's no value at OPP, and I'm not trying to find it. So A and H would be cosine. So I set up my equation, cosine of 53 is equal to 45 over K. Now, what we say here is, if X is down low, switch X with the angle, you know. So what does that mean? The angle is this entire thing with cosine. So you flip-flop these two, so it reads K equals 45 over cosine 53. So when you type that in your calculator, you're typing it as a division. 45 divided by cosine 53. And I get about, looks like 74.77. Okay? Now, hopefully this helps you get your quiz finished or any of your other problems finished. Good luck.